How to place an order on Temu. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for the Temu application and download it to your device. If it's already been installed, then check for updates. After checking for updates, go back to your home page and navigate to the Temu app. Search for the Temu app and open it on your device. Make sure you are already logged in to your account. You will land to the home page, which looks like this. To place an order, simply go to the product that you like. On the bottom left corner, you should see the option Add to Cart. Select your quantity and select Add to Cart. Once you do that, then it will be added to your cart. Click on the cart icon and you can see all your products. Check the product on the list that you want to purchase and uncheck other products that you don't want to purchase. You can even remove them by swiping to left and selecting the delete option. Once you have selected the product, select checkout at the bottom right corner. Now there are different features that you can add to your product. For example, express shipping or any codes or coupon. Now type in your details, payment method and checkout. That's all for today. Thank you.